Then I will explain the movie Working in the Test Tube. Movie's name, I Am Sam. The plot, beginning. The film opens with Sam Champion, who receives his daughter Lucy in the maternity ward of a hospital. The mother, a homeless woman, Sus disappears from her life. She feels in horror at what she understands to be a faithful future. Robinson, a child without Robinson, and in the company of a stranger who can barely add up, is hampered surprisingly that Zen manages to get through his job as a waiter at a Starbucks. But it then gets complicated when young Lucy grows and her questions are becoming more difficult for her father, and she begins to demand a different bedtime store from those of few illustration and difficult words. I drawing at school shortly before the age of 7 sounds the alarms. It is drawn liar that its own father, her teacher, decide to inform social service to assess the child family environment. The situation becomes intense when the girl invites her friends on her birthday. The children, who are already beginning to use the recent cause a cliff between Lucy, one of the children, and her father. To talk if all of this happens in the present, or a social service worker who had gone to the house. To me, a real with interview, the decision is obvious. Custody must be taken for him as the Steve Bailey. He is not able to take her offer education. He has to fight and trial against the state to try to head Lucy back. Together with his friends, he decides that the months Sip and good lover Rita, a ruthless lawyer who has never doubts of little more than success or money, due to the insistence of our flamboyant protagonist. In order to improve her reputation as a heartless fine Rita, after meeting Sam, discovered her love for daughter and proud her determination to defend her as a father and as the intelligence of a 7 years old by bad Laius happily with which his daughter he was admitted to a mental institution of which he has no good memories, and Zen is a very kind person, a loving and responsible father, and there comes a time when Zen decides to head and Rita efforts to prepare her for questioning are not enough, nor were they wool and drag every day is failing apart the trial in last St. Low himself in his apartment, finally sent with a grey sporture big 40 the judge and a natural lens in relation to what is normal to him. His love for Lucy, the judge coins in the Rosen and emerges victorious and slews and grey teaching about law without limits. What did you learn about the movie? I learned that we as human beings should put ourselves in the other place, and now loved before knowing the true satisfaction of others. I learned that we always seek to have prevailing position to be the most respected by all. However, we forehead had in the matters of love, respect, and consideration that we long to receive, it is necessary to after them first. Had what the film made you feel? The movie made me feel safe to see that what Sin was going through also praying because now everyone that was Sin did for his daughter. Who does the movie relate to the academic program you are studying? It is a movie that shows who people are rejected because of their disabilities. As an industrial engineering, I think that it is related a lot to the interpersonal relationship, since we are always surrounded by love of staff and we must relate well to everyone regardless of their defect or disabilities. Another heading for the movie could be another heading to the film could be that same world dedicated to supporting all people with disabilities and her Daughter Lucy won't help keep